construction site suddenly turns into a battlefield as machines begin to fail one after another. Get ready to dive into the heart-stopping situations that follow.
Đau hả?
While working, the excavator suddenly slid down into a pond. Water flooded the engine, causing it to stall immediately. People nearby quickly gathered to pump out the water so the machine could be recovered. A crawler excavator stepped in as a reliable helper, digging mud and filling the deep hole to make the rescue easier. Truly terrifying. Amid the raging current, Kobelco and Komatsu excavators are digging and placing rocks to block the rushing water. Each bucket lifts tons of stones, rebuilding the barrier that the flood keeps washing away. The excavator is stuck deep in the mud, unable to get out. Now watch how a similar machine attempts the rescue using its powerful engine and planting the bucket firmly as leverage to push itself upward. Do you think there's something wrong with this rescue method? Leave your comment below. The box truck suddenly lost its brakes and plunged straight into a nearby ditch. Fortunately, the rescue team arrived just in time, bringing 2 heavy recovery tow trucks. They secured the front of the vehicle and slowly began pulling it back up. Every second that passed made everyone hold their breath. The truck shook violently as it was lifted. A similar incident happened again. A tanker truck overturned into a ditch, leaving the vehicle crushed and badly mangled. It looked absolutely devastating. A specialized recovery truck used heavy-duty cables to secure the front of the vehicle and slowly pull it back up. After several hours, the truck was finally recovered safely. A showdown of raw power between mighty machines. With massive engines, these off-road vehicles charge across rough terrain, covered in thick mud and dirt. They blast forward at high speed like wild beasts, mud flying everywhere, far beyond anything I imagined. If you love these machines, comment 1 now. The thick layer of snow made it impossible for vehicles to pass. The HTZ 17221 tractor is carrying out snow clearing duties, equipped with a powerful engine. It worked continuously for 6 hours, pushing layer after layer of snow to the roadside. The road has now become much clearer and more open. Follow now so you don't miss those heart-stopping moments when machines break down and people must turn the situation around in an instant. Extremely dangerous on a high cliff with a deep abyss ahead, the motor grader works tirelessly. It levels layer after layer of soil, preparing the ground for the upcoming road construction project. The machine can even tow large logs, clearing and cleaning the worksite efficiently. The construction site suddenly turns chaotic. The Shantui DH-17 bulldozer is corroded by the flooded layer, and the engine stalls immediately after being submerged. An excavator steps in to scoop out the water, while a tractor takes on the task of pulling the machine. With smooth coordination, the stranded bulldozer is quickly hauled back up.
Help out, help out. tawa. Oh.
A massive pileup. Cargo trucks traveling through the mountain road are completely trapped by thick mud, the surface deeply rutted and uneven. Each vehicle is stuck in place, forced to rely on one another to break free. But with a road like this, it will likely take a long time before these machines can finally escape. Another transport run begins. An old farm tractor carries 30 tons of wood chips, slowly making its way across a dirt road. The vehicle shakes violently. Just one small mistake could cause it to tip over. Dusk was falling, but misfortune struck again. The tracked vehicle became stuck in the snow. Every attempt to move felt like a challenge, as the tracks spun and only caused the machine to sink deeper. With a small but clever idea, they placed tree trunks in front to create traction and help it climb out. Otherwise, the vehicle might have been stranded there for quite a while. Proper load limits are extremely important. The truck was overloaded and attempted to pass through difficult terrain, causing it to get stuck in place. Fortunately, a nearby tractor stepped in to help, slowly pulling the truck forward until it finally moved again. The Solus 75 tractor is trying to rescue the MF 275 that's stuck. The weight of the machine makes the recovery even more difficult. The harder it pulls, the more the wheels grind into the ground while the tractor remains stuck in place. It may need the support of a more powerful engine to get the job done. Under 40-degree heat. In the field, the blue MF 290 tractor was stuck so badly it could barely move at all. With help from a red machine pulling it out, after a long struggle, it was finally freed. Subscribe now to witness heart-stopping moments when machines suddenly break down, and every decision is made in seconds.